Every day, $5 trillion moves between banks. Not in armored trucks, not in vaults, not even in numbers you could physically count. It just appears and disappears across borders, across accounts, faster than you can read this sentence. And the wildest part? Almost none of it is real money. Let me show you how the entire global financial system runs on something that doesn't actually exist. Picture this. You're standing in a bank in New York. It's 9 a.m. A hedge fund needs to send $2 billion to a trading firm in London, right now, not tomorrow, now. So what happens? Does someone pack cash into a plane? Does an executive walk into the vault and start counting? No. A person types some numbers into a computer, hits enter, and 3 seconds later, $2 billion is in London. No cash moved, no gold changed hands, nothing physical happened at all. Just a message, a digital signal, and suddenly the balance in one account went down and another went up. This happens 50 million times a day. And it's not just banks, it's governments, corporations, pension funds, and every major institution on the planet, all sending money that isn't money, using a system most people have never heard of. It's called correspondent banking, and it's the invisible railroad that keeps the world economy from collapsing. Here's how it works. Let's say you're a small bank in Kenya. A customer walks in and wants to send money to someone in Germany. You're a Kenyan bank, you don't have a branch in Germany, you don't have accounts there, you can't just drop cash on a desk in Frankfurt. So what do? You call a correspondent bank, usually a massive institution like JPMorgan, HSBC, or Deutsche Bank. These banks have accounts everywhere. They act as middlemen, as bridges. Your Kenyan bank has an account with JP Morgan. The German bank also has an account with JP Morgan. So JP Morgan just moves the numbers between those accounts. Your customer's money never actually travels. It just gets reassigned, ledger to ledger, account to account. And here's the thing. JP Morgan doesn't need to have all that cash sitting in a vault either, because they're doing the same thing with another bank, and that bank is doing it with another. It's accounts all the way down. The entire system runs on trust, on the belief that when a bank says it has the money, it actually does. Which brings us to the uncomfortable question, what if it doesn't? Let's zoom out. In 2023, there was about $2 trillion in physical U.S. currency in circulation worldwide, bills and coins, actual cash you could hold. But in that same year, banks moved over $5 trillion every single day just between themselves. That's more than double the world's entire cash supply. Every single day. So where's the money coming from? It's not coming from anywhere. It's being created by agreement. When a bank says you have $1 million in your account, what they really mean is they owe you $1 million. It's a liability on their books, an IOU. When they transfer that million to another bank, they're not sending cash. They're transferring the debt, the obligation, the promise. And because every major bank has accounts with every other major bank, they can just shuffle these IOUs back and forth and call it payment.